but prayer brought heaven here.
Now standing close, I see it's true. God kept His word and brought me you.
The nights were long, but I still believe His promise more than I could see. Now every breath my heart knows who I waited all my life for you. You pray for me before our hearts had eyes to see. Now faith and love have found their place. Two souls made one by boundless grace.
I prayed for you. Every tear was not in vain. Every weight was worth the pain. He wrote our story line by line and called it wholly yours and mine.
I prayed for you, you prayed for me, and love became all that it is. Every vow we speak is true. God heard our
Tears and faith and love.
I pray.
He's talking about the life of Christ, the church, and building her
Pag-usapan muna natin ang iyong gabi. Ikaw ang pahinga ko, mahal. Lumiliwanag aking ngiti kapag kausap na kita. Pasensya lang kung babalik pa rin sa atin. Kahit di mo ko hanapin, magbabalik din lang sa'yo. Pinapawi mo ang uhaw ng aking puso. Sabik sa lalim ng pagtingin mo para sa'kin. Pag napansin mo na ako, papanawa ko agad sa'yo na isa lang ang hinahanap ko. Ikaw raman, kung papalarin na mapapasakit pa. Saan man magtungo, di alam kung ba't sa puso pangalan mo lang ang tanging lamahan. Hindi alam kung ba't mas sinusunod mo pang iyong mga talo. At iyong nararamdaman sa akin, ngunit babalik pa rin sa atin. Kahit di mo ko hanapin, magbabalik din lang sa'yo. Pinapawi mo ang uhaw ng aking puso. Sabik sa lalim ng pagtingin mo para sa'kin. Pag napansin mo na ako, ipapanawa ko agad sa'yo na isa lang